Emergency security meeting in Tokyo, Prime Minister Yoshihiko Noda said he hoped it would not have a negative impact on peace.
Atkins Snoring Aid, a real cure for snoring.